Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll take a look at how to activate our exit intent technology. OptinMonster's exit intent technology allows you to display your campaign at the precise moment when a user decides to leave your site. Simply create your OptinMonster campaign and start building. Once your design reflects your exit intent message, simply go to the Display Rules tab to activate exit intent for your campaign. In the Conditions section, scroll down to Exit Detected and decide on the sensitivity that you'd like your campaign to have while displaying upon exit intent, either low, medium, or high. To display solely on exit intent, you'll need to remove other display rules. However, you can add other and/or rules to get more specific on when your campaign will display on your site. Next, in Actions, you'll choose which opt-in view to show. And in the summary, you'll be able to see that you have successfully activated exit intent technology for your campaign. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.